Okay, today's session I'm going to say with the sequences with the 9 series. Okay, 9 the digits. If you have the 2-digit number 99 with again 99, how to find the products? Easy shortcut method. You all know squares also, but instead that 99 into 99. Another easiest method I will tell you. Just this 99 subtract the previous minus 1. Do it. 99 minus 1 is what? 98. Okay, 98. Now how much it is difference from its nearest hundreds? Difference from the nearest hundreds is 1. So, is it not? So it's a square you write. What is 1 square? That is 1. That you write it. So that is your answer. Same way you do it for 999 into another 999. 3-digit 9 with another 3-digit 9. Here this is 3-digit 9. Okay. 3-digit 9 means subtract from thousands. Okay. What is how much difference is from 1000? It is 1. So first the difference you write it. Subtract 1 here. 1000 minus 999 minus 1. First subtract from here. 998. And then squaring this 1, you will get 001. Okay, or else another method I will teach you. 999 into 999. First your step is subtract 1 here and write 998. Okay, the next step, just subtract that 9 with the given 9. Okay, you are going to subtract each digits by 9. Each digits by 9 you are going to subtract. So 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, you should write 0. Again 9 minus 8, you get 1. So that gives the answer. Same way you can do it for 4-digit 9s. 9999. Multiply one more 9999. Right? The first step is subtract 1 from this. 9998. First step is that. What is your second step? You have to subtract 1 from this and write 9 from this and write. Each digit you have to subtract 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Write the next again 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 8, that is 1. So that is your answer. That gives you the answer for multiplication of 4-digit 9 number by another 4-digit 9 number. Understand? Now if you have another digits in that instead of same 999, if you have some other digits but the other second digit number is same 99, the first digit is instead of 99 you have some other number. So how to do the same procedure? You do it. Suppose if you have, right, 35 multiply 99, how will you write? How will you shortcut method is just what you are doing, subtracting the first number by minus 1, that is 94, and each number you subtract it by 9. Okay, what is it? First number subtract 3, 9 subtract, you get 6. So what is the next? 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. So the answer is 3465. You can do with next another number also. Okay, 81 multiply 99. How will you write? So first you subtract 1 in this and write 80. Okay, so with this answer 80, you have to subtract from 9. So first number 9 minus 8, that is 1. The second number 9 minus 0, that is again 9. So 8019, that is your answer. Got it? Same way you can do it for another 3-digit also. 256 by 999. 3-digit number by again 3-digit number. Same procedures. Okay, you should state the minus 1 first. 256 minus 1, that is 255. The next step what you must do, for each number you subtract it 9 and write it. So 2 subtract 9, that will give you 7. 5 subtract 9, that will give you 4. Again 5 subtract 9, that will give you 4. So 2 5 5 7 4 4, that is your answer. Okay, you can do it for another 8421 by 999. 4-digit by another 4-digit number. So other second 4-digit number is 999. So that is product by 999. So what is this rule here again? Subtract 1, 8420. And each number subtracted by 9. Okay, that means if first subtract that 8 by 9, that means 1. Second also 4 by 9, that gives 5. 2 subtract 9, that gives 7. Then 0 subtract 9, that gives 9. So after this 8420, you get 1579. That is your answer. Got it? Now if in this place of same digits both the here first number and second number same digit number, 2-digit number by 2-digit number, or 3-digit number by 3-digit number, 4-digit number by another 4-digit number. Instead of that place, if you have another digits, some other 2-digit by 1 digit, or 34 by 999, it's a 2-digit number, and this one is a 3-digit number. How to do this one? For this, another shortcut method. How much digit it is increased here? 2 digits it's a 2-digit by 2-digit. If you have one more digit 9 extra here, so what you have to do, write in the middle answer one, middle one, that extra 9 you write it in the middle, you have to write, and then the same procedure you should follow. 34, no, before 1 subtract and write 38. So 34 minus 1, that is 33, you write it, and then next after this 9 you proceed the same procedure, minus each digit and write 3 minus 9, that is 6. Again 3 subtract from 9, that will give you 6. So 3 3, that 966, that will give you the answer for the sum. Can you try for one more sum? 82 multiply 999. This is again 2-digit by 3-digit number. So subtract here 1 and write 81. Then one number extra here, write 9. After 9 you have to subtract each one and write 8. 9 minus 8, that is 1. How much difference? 9 minus 1, that is 8. This gives you the multiplication answer. You can check it out. Okay, you try one more, 3-digit by 2-digit, 345 by 99. For this types of sums, here the given is a 3-digit number, but the answer is the multiplying number is 2-digit. For this type of sums, before how write its hundreds place. This is 99, you can write it as 100 minus 1. So how you can write 345 into 100 and 345 into 1. That procedure you have to write. So round off to its nearest, 34500 minus 345. That will give you 3000. Right? 4. What is 500 minus 345? 500 minus 345, that is 155. That will give you the answer for 3-digit by 2-digit. Say one more, 3-digit by 1-digit. For this again 1 digit, it writes its tens place. 2-digit numbers, no, make it a 2-digit number means it is 100 minus 1. So 345 into 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. 345 into 10 and 345 into 1. So 345 into 10 gives you 3450, and for 1 it is 345. So subtract this answer, you get 3000. What is 450 minus 345? 450 minus 345, that is 105. Understand this? So you can do any number of multiplication with the 9. Now can you try this one? 999 multiply 99. How will you write it? So nearest hundreds place, so 100 minus 1. So 999 into 100, that gives you 99900 minus this 999. You can do it, right? Cut and write 1, this 9, 0, this is again 18, this gives you 9, 8, 9. So this will be your answer, 98901. That will give you the answer.